If you have a date with a vegan feminist, you can make the traditional soupe à l'oignon by Auguste Escoffier in 1903, in which it's apparently legal to put some milk, but we have to make sure it's vegan. So you will grab a duck carcass that the butcher gave you for $1. You will boil it for 3 hours to make stock, then get the bones out. You will evaporate 90% of the water on high heat, then cut the ass of the onion and cut his head, so that you have an easy peel for the next million onions. Now if you didn't know, it's not even legal to put the ass of the onion on the chopping board, because there's some dirt, so you can have cross-contamination, which is why we always get rid of the ass of the onion first, and you're supposed to do it on top of trash or something. Once you have peeled 1 million onions, make sure you throw the skin to the trash so that the vegan can keep starving. Then cut all the onions in half, and you have two options. You can either cut perpendicularly, which will break up all the fibers, and in the end leave you with some caramelized puree of onion instead of some strings of onion. Escoffier actually strains it like puree, but my previous chefs have bullied me because it wasn't stringy, so we'll cut it along the fibers to have the nice fibers. Now if you don't know how to fucking chop, you will keep the knife against your finger knuckles. It is what will guide the knife. Depending on how thick the onion is, you might lift the knife too high and then chop off your fucking knuckles. It seems my scars have healed properly, but I've made holes in my fingers at least 5 times cutting onions, so don't fuck up. Also make sure your thumb is behind. Don't just left it fucking hanging around like a retard like this. Once it is in a safe location, you can start slicing. You will then melt approximately 1 egg of butter, and when your butter is bubbly, you will add 1 chihuahua of onions. You will add 1 big pinch of salt, which will help the dehydration process. After 45 minutes, it will look like this. They will have lost structure and start caramelizing. 15 minutes later, they will be a little bit brown. And 15 minutes later, they will actually be caramelized. Look at this beauty. You can keep going a little bit longer if you're a geek. Then deglaze the pan with some Chinese sweat. Because I don't have wine, I'm not an alcoholic. Make sure you scrub the bottom of the pan. And look at this beauty. Your caramelized onions. Then once they're beautiful, you will add your duck stock. Mix it very homogeneously. And because Escoffier allowed me, I will put some raw milk. Mix it very homogeneously. And you will be left with a beautiful looking soupe à l'oignon, which has the correct color. You will then slice some very long croutons with the baguette. They should look longer than what you are used to. The goal will be to cover the plate like this. You will then grab some Tome de Savoie from raw meat and grate approximately 1 adult average male pubic hair that hasn't shaved for 3 months. You will then melt approximately 2/3 of an egg of butter and then dip your croutons in the butter. You will then lay them on an oven tray. Sprinkle them with some real man salt, not table salt, that makes you get a little bit of thyme. You can sprinkle it like this if it is dried. 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius and they will look perfectly homogenized. You can then add some raw onion in your soup because it's high testosterone, it's what world champions eat. Then put it in a bowl. Put a first layer of cheese. Then cover them with the croutons. Then cover with a little bit more cheese. It is now ready to go in the broiler. If you are poor, you can use a normal plate with some onion soup and some cheese and some croutons and some cheese. Then into the broiler until it comes out perfectly golden. Look at it. Your soupe à l'oignon with your nice gratiné cheese. Your vegan guests will beg you to feed them more. They will believe you are considerate because you made them fucking soup. Fucking herbivore. Find 65 more healthy as fuck recipes in my cookbook.